You think you know your car. You drive it every day. But what if I told you your car might be hiding features, some that could save your life, protect your wallet, or just make daily driving way smarter, and you've probably never noticed them? Today, we're diving into secret buttons, stealth systems, and life-saving hacks that your owner's manual forgot to mention. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your car the same way again. Let's kick off with something that could matter in a true emergency: the trunk. Every modern car has a hidden emergency trunk release, usually a glow-in-the-dark lever or button that lets you escape if you're ever trapped inside. Easy to overlook, but in a worst-case scenario, it could save your life. And speaking of escapes, imagine your car battery dies and your electronic parking brake won't disengage. Buried under the trim or near the brake assembly, many cars have a hidden manual release cable. One of those things you hope you never need, but when you do, lifesaver. Some cars even let you shift to neutral with the engine off. Just to press the brake and move the shifter, no hidden buttons required. Shows how gear locks can be bypassed in emergencies. Here's a weird one. Hold your key fob under your chin or against your head to extend its range. It actually works. Your body acts like an antenna booster. Got a dead key fob? You're not stranded. Hold the fob against the start button or a designated sensor spot and press. The car will read the RFID chip and start like magic. Now let's say your engine goes rogue while driving, revving uncontrollably or malfunctioning. Holding the start-stop button for 3+ seconds shuts it down. It won't kill the engine if you just tap it accidentally, but hold it? Emergency shutdown. Hate auto stop-start? Some cars let you override it by holding the button longer, either at startup or mid-drive, which can disable it for that trip or longer. Let's move to simpler stuff: the glove box light. On some models, you can upgrade it to a brighter bulb, turning that useless flicker into actual visibility at night. Lane keep assist too aggressive? Most cars hide sensitivity settings deep in the driver assistance menus. Tune it right, and your car stops nagging every time you drift an inch. If your key fob dies again, don't panic. There's almost always a hidden mechanical blade inside. Pop the tiny cap on the door handle and boom, manual unlock. Fuel door stuck? Check behind the trunk lining. Many cars have a hidden cable or tab you can pull to manually pop it open. At the pump, notice the tiny arrow next to the gas icon? It points to your fuel filler side. Been there all along. Hauling long cargo like skis or lumber. Many sedans hide a trunk pass-through behind the folding armrest or rear seat. Total space saver. Child seat anchors are often hidden behind zipped or snapped covers in the rear seat. They're there, just stealthy. Need a tow? Look for a small bumper cap. Behind it is a threaded tow hook point. The actual hook? Usually hiding with your spare tire tools. Ever tried changing wiper blades and they won't lift? Look for wiper service mode. Activating it from the stock or infotainment moves them into a safe position for swapping. Sick of your fuel cap scratching the paint? Many cars have a small hook or slot inside the fuel door to hang it safely. Simple, brilliant. Own a Skoda or certain VWs. Check your fuel door. Some hide a built-in ice scraper. Cold weather MVP. Adaptive cruise control is amazing, but the following distance setting? Often buried behind a secret button combo or stock setting. Auto brake hold is your best friend in traffic. Stops the car from rolling without keeping your foot on the brake. Game changer once you discover it. Land Rover's Wade sensing? Seriously cool. Sensors in the mirrors detect water depth and show it in real time. It's like sonar for your SUV. Subaru fans. X mode is hiding in plain sight. It fine-tunes throttle, traction, and brakes for tough terrain. Often buried in menus or under a button no one presses. Convertibles can be lifesavers too. Some models have pop-up rear headrests that activate during a rollover to protect your neck. At the base of the windshield, those faint lines? Hidden defrost wires. They keep the wipers from freezing to the glass. Hands-free trunk acting up? The secret is timing and angle. Get it right, and many systems even let you close the trunk, not just open it. Auto tilt mirrors? If they're not tilting in reverse, check your selector switch. Set it to the correct side and they work like magic. Rain sensor too twitchy or too chill? Some cars let you adjust the sensitivity via dial or settings menu. Worth dialing in. Hyundai and Kia have quiet mode, a stealthy feature that mutes the rear speakers so passengers can sleep while you blast music up front. Some cars go even further, auto-switching to recirculate air in heavy traffic or polluted zone. Completely unnoticed, but silently protecting you. Ford, Nissan, VW owners. Hold the unlock button on your fob and all the windows roll down. Perfect for hot days. Mercedes? Pre-safe sound plays a quick burst of pink noise before a crash to protect your ears from the deafening airbag bang. Wild, right? Porsche drivers, check your infotainment menus for the chronolap timer. Built-in performance data, hiding in plain sight. Tesla owners, you know dog mode. But camp mode? Keeps climate and power running all night while you sleep inside. Instant road trip hotel. GM and Chevy drivers. Your rearview mirror may have a toggle for live camera view. It lets you see behind even with a full back seat. And in the trunk? Look closely. Many cars hide fold-out grocery hooks to keep your bags from launching everywhere on the way home. So the next time you're behind the wheel, remember your car's full of clever features hiding in plain sight. And now? You're one of the few who actually know where to look. But we're not done yet. Because this rabbit hole goes deep. So smash that subscribe button if you want more hidden features, hacks, and insider car secret. Until then, stay curious, drive smarter, and never underestimate what your ride is really capable of.